Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss with you operations on decimals. Here are the following operations we have to study on decimals, and these operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. I will discuss with you it one by one. Try to understand. First, we will discuss addition and subtraction. When we have to add or subtract two decimal numbers, first of all we will convert the decimal number into like decimals, and then we will write the decimal numbers in proper column. Means the whole part to the left of decimal of first number and the whole part to the left of decimal of second number will be write vertically, and the fractional part or decimal part will be write vertically together. Try to understand with the example. Suppose we have to add example 1. Suppose we have to add two numbers. Add 23.5 and 42.23. As you are seeing here, we have two numbers. One is 23.5 and another is 42.23. These numbers are not like decimals, so we will put 0 here to make like decimals, and then we have to add. So after putting decimal, add here decimal point, here decimal point, here two places before the, means in whole number there are two places. In this case also in whole part there are two places, and in decimal part there is only one place, and in decimal part there is two places. So we have to make like decimal first. So we will put 0 to the right of the digit in decimal part and we will make like decimal, and now we will add. When we add 0 plus 3, we will get 3, 5 plus 2, 7, then decimal point, 3 plus 2, 5, and 4 plus 2 plus 4, 6. Means the sum of 23.50 and 42.23 will be 65.73. Let us see one more example. This is first one, suppose, then second one. Add 7.52 and 30.732. In this case, you are seeing two numbers, 7.52 and number 30.732. So we will write 7.52, add here decimal we put, then 30 we write here, and 732. Again you are seeing these two are unlike decimals, so we will make like decimal first. We will put 0 here, then after decimal we get also 3 places, and in this case also 3 places after decimal. We will put sign of addition and then we will add. 0 plus 2, 2, 3 plus 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12. Carry on. So carry will be forward. 7 plus 1, 8, and plus 3, 11, and 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the sum of the given decimals. Similarly, we have to subtract by changing first the given decimal into like decimals, and then we will subtract. Let us see example. Subtract this from this and this from this. I hope you understood addition. Now I am going to solve example of subtraction. Try to understand. As it is written here, subtract 23.5 from 42.23. So we will first write 42.23. Now 23.5 and here is minus, because it says subtract 23.5 from 42.23. So we will write 42.3 as a minute and 23.5 as subtrahend. Then we will find the difference. Again we have to make like this one. So we will put 0 here to make like decimal and then we will subtract. We have to subtract 0 from 3. It will be subtracted 3. So 3 will be the difference. Now 2 minus 5. Now 5 is greater than 2, so we cannot subtract. So we will take borrow. 1 borrow we take here, so it will become 12. Then from 12 we have to subtract 5. We will subtract 3, then it will become 7. Now it will be left with 1. Again from 1 we cannot subtract 3, so we take 1 borrow. So it will become 11 and 11 minus 3, 8. We will put decimal point also here. And then it will be left 3, then 3 minus 2, 1. So this is the required difference when we have to subtract 23.5 from 42.23. In this case, we have number 13.732, then minus 7.52. Again these two are unlike decimals. So we have to make them like decimals by placing 0 to the right of the decimal digits. Then we will subtract 2 minus 0, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, decimal point, 3 minus 7, we cannot subtract, then we take borrow. So already we have 1 borrow, then 30 and 30 minus 7, it is 6. This is our required difference. Similarly, we will subtract the given numbers in exercise 6.2. Now, I am going to discuss with you multiplication and division of decimals. So, I am going to clear. I hope you understood how to add and subtract given decimals. Now try to understand multiplication. Here we have to see the numbers how given. Suppose we have to multiply a decimal number by the numbers which is multiples of 10 or squares of 10. For example, case 1. If we have to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000 etc., then we directly shift the decimal point to the right after counting the number of zeros in multiplier. In multiplier. Try to understand with the example. Example. 3.25 to multiply by 10. So as we are seeing, this is a decimal number and here we have to multiply it by 10. So we will count here. Number of zeros after 1 is 1. Then we have to shift this decimal place one digit right. Means the product will become 22.52. Suppose you have to multiply 3.252 by 100. In this case, number of zeros are 2. Here number of zeros 1. Here number of zeros 2. Then we will shift this decimal place to the 2 digits right. So we will get the product 325.2. Similarly, you can multiply when the numbers given to you. The second case is that when both the numbers are decimal numbers, then we multiply the numbers as we multiply the whole numbers. Then we count decimal places in both multiplicand and multiplier and we add. And then we put the decimal point after leaving that number of places. Try to understand. If we have 3.2 multiplied by 4.2. Here we have this one decimal number, this one another decimal number. So we will multiply it like this. 32 multiplied by 42. We will multiply as simple, means 42 and 32 multiplication. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 2 3 to 6, 4 to the 12. Then it will be 4, 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1, then 3 and 1. Means our product is 1344. 1344. Now, in this case, we will write 3.2 into this. 1, 3, 4, 4. So, where we will put the decimal point? So, you see, after decimal there is one place, and in this case also one place. So, one place here and one place here. Total we have 2 places. So, we will put decimal after leaving 2 places from the right. So, 1, 2 means. So, both type of questions given to you to multiply, you can multiply easily. See one more example. If we have 125, means then I am keeping here, putting this decimal means 1.25, and we have to multiply it by 0.8. In this case, you are seeing after decimal we have 2 places, and here after decimal we have 1 place. Means total places we have to take 3. We will multiply 1, 25 take and 8. When you multipy 8 by 40, 0, carry 4, 8 to the 10 4, 20, carry 2, and 8 1 8 and 2, 10. It will come 1000. So here simply we multiply and thereafter we put number decimals after leaving 3 digits, because in first, that is in multiplication we have 2 places and in multiplier we have 1 places after decimal. So we will add these 2, then we will get 3. So we have to leave 3 places from right, and then we have to put decimal 1, 2, 3. Means the product of 0.125 and 0.8 is equal to 1 answer. I hope you understood multiplication. Now we will see division of decimals. I am ready. Here is also 2 cases. If we have decimal number divided by 10,000, here decimal number multiplied by and a decimal number divided by 10, 100 and 1000 etc. Then in this case we have to shift decimal point to the left in dividend. If our division will be 10, 100 and thousands, and then we have to divide a decimal number by these divisors, then we shift the decimal point to the left by counting the number of zeros in the divisor. See the example. If we have 563.2 and you have to divide by 10. You have to divide by 10. So as I told, here number of zeros is 1. So this decimal place shift to the left by 1 place, and then our quotient will be 56.32. If you have to divide 563.2 by 100, so in this case number of zeros 2, means we have to shift decimal point 2 digits to the left. So it will come 5.632. Similarly, other questions will be there. You will be able to divide this kind of problems given to you. Now, when we have to divide two decimal numbers, then say how will you divide? It is case 1, case 2. If we have two decimal numbers, then how will we divide? Suppose we have 2.5 and we have to divide it by 0.5. So these two are the decimal number and we have to divide. Then in this case we change these two into fraction. Means this can be written as 25 by 10 divided by, this can be written as 5 by 10. As you know, in case of fraction, we write multiplicative inverse of second number, that is divisor. So here it will be 25 by 10 and multiplicative inverse of this is 10 by 5. Now we can easily sort out 10 by 10. So 1 time, 5 1 time and 25 5 times. Means our answer is 5. Means if we have two decimal numbers and we have to divide, then we will do first we change the decimal numbers into fractions, then we can divide. Another example you see, if we have number 282.04 and you have to divide by 11. In this case, we will divide as long division process, or you can change it like this also. You have to write 04 as you are saying 2 places after decimal, then here will be 100 and here is 11. You can change it by 100 and if the right multiplicative inverse, then 1 by 11. Then you divide this number by 11 to short out, you will get 2564. You can divide it, check here, 28204 by 11. 11 to the 22. 6 2 11 5 55 7 0 11 6 66 4 and 4, so 11 4 44. Means our question is this one, and then we are seeing that we have 2564 by 100. We can put decimal after leaving two places from right, or we can convert this fraction into decimal and we can write 25.64. This is our answer. So you have understood how to divide two decimal numbers. Your homework will be exercise 6.2 all questions, and 6.3 up to question 4. This will be your homework. Thank you.